Ever wonder what actually happens to your luggage after you hand it over at the airport? Let me show you the secret underground world of your check bags. It all starts at the check-in counter. Here, your bag gets its passport, a heavy-duty sticker with a unique barcode and tracking number. Once it passes those rubber flaps, it drops onto a massive, high-speed conveyor belt leading straight into a maze of hidden underground tunnels. Down in the tunnels, your bag doesn't just go for a ride. It passes through multiple automated security checkpoints and high-tech X-ray scanners. Next, it reaches the sorting area. Ground crews decked out in protective gear stand by the moving belts, seamlessly scanning each bag on the fly. They aren't just tracking location, they're scanning for your ticket class. Bags are sorted into economy, business, or first class. And here's an industry secret. First and business class bags are actually loaded last. Why? So they are the very first ones offloaded onto the carousel when you land. Other baggage handlers work right beside the scanners, manually loading the bags into a ULD, a unit load device. It's basically a giant, high-stakes puzzle. There are strict rules here. Number 1, absolutely no throwing bags. Number 2, heavy suitcases go on the bottom, so they never crush fragile items. Every ULD also has a strict limit. Ground crews must ensure they never overload a container, which keeps the aircraft's weight and balance perfectly safe. Once packed perfectly, the ULD is sealed, loaded onto a tug, and driven out onto the tarmac, ready to be lifted into the belly of the plane. So next time you fly, you'll know exactly what journey your bag is having. If you loved this 3D deep dive, hit subscribe for more behind-the-scenes animations.